Hi students, today we see 10th standard science transportation in plants and circulation in animals. From this we see the subtopic blood vessels. Blood vessels are the network of branched tubes that transport blood to all the parts of the body. Blood vessels are of three types. They are arteries, veins and capillaries. First we see what are arteries. Arteries, they are thick and elastic vessels. What are arteries? They are thick and elastic vessel that transport blood from the heart to other organs of our body. What type of blood it transport? It transport pure blood, that means oxygenated blood. It transport what type of blood? Oxygenated blood. Next, all the arteries carry pure blood except a pulmonary artery, that carry impure blood. This is very important point. All the arteries carry what type of blood? Pure blood except a pulmonary artery. This artery carry impure blood. Next type of blood vessel is the vein. Veins are thin and non-elastic vessels. Veins are thin and non-elastic vessel. These carry blood. That means this collect blood from various organs of our body and pour into our heart. So these veins carry impure blood, that means deoxygenated blood, except a pulmonary veins. All the veins carry impure blood, that means deoxygenated blood, except a pulmonary vein only carry pure blood. This is very important point. All the arteries carry pure blood except a pulmonary artery that carry impure blood. As like all the veins carry impure blood, that means deoxygenated blood, except a pulmonary vein only carry pure blood. Okay. Third type of blood vessel is capillaries. Third type of blood vessel is what? Capillaries. These are narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles. These are the narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles, which then unite to form venules and veins. These are unite to form venules and vein. They are 8 mu in diameter. Capillaries are formed of single layer of endothelial cell. One important word, name the cells formed by capillaries. Capillaries are formed by endothelial cells. Next, we see this diagram. First, what you saw? Arteries. Arteries carry what type of blood? Red. That means oxygenated blood. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. And then second type of blood vessel is veins. Veins bring out what type of blood? Impure blood, that means a deoxygenated blood. And then the network fine tubules in between two. Which one? Capillaries. Okay, capillaries are the third type of blood vessel. Okay, it a branching of arterioles which then unite to form what? Arterioles. Okay, and then veins, venules. Next, artery. We see the difference between artery and veins. Artery and veins. Arteries are the distributing vessel. Arteries are distributing vessel. It distribute blood to other parts of the body. As like veins are collecting vessels. Veins are what vessel? Collecting vessel. What is the color of the artery? arteries are pink in color, as like veins are red in color. And then these are, the arteries are deep location, veins are superficial in location. Flow with high pressure. Inside the artery, blood flow with a high pressure. Inside the vein, blood flow with low pressure. Walls of the arteries are thick, strong and elastic. Walls of the arteries are thick, strong and elastic. Walls of the veins are thin, weak and non-elastic. Listen, sixth point. All arteries carry pure blood except a pulmonary artery. As like all the veins carry impure blood except a pulmonary vein. Last point. Internal walls are absent in artery. For easy remember, A. Absent. Artery, internal walls are absent. And then veins, internal walls are present. This is very important question, as both 2 mark as well as 4 mark. Next, we see the types of circulatory system. Types of circulatory system. The animals generally possesses 2 types of circulatory system. First one is the open type and second one is the closed type of circulatory system. Open type. In open type, blood pumped by heart into blood vessel. In open type, blood is pumped by heart into a blood vessel that open into blood spaces. The blood vessels are open into a blood spaces. These blood spaces are called sinuses. Okay, it is a body cavity. Sinuses are nothing but these are body cavity. It is otherwise called hemocoel. The sinuses are otherwise called what? Hemocoel. Okay. What are the animals possesses this type of circulatory system? That means open type of circulatory system possesses what type of animals? In lower animals possesses this type of circulatory system. Example, arthropoda, mollusca and ascidian. These animal possesses this type of circulatory system. And then closed type of circulatory system. In closed type, blood flows in a complete circuit around the body. In closed type, blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. Through specific blood vessel. Already you know the structure of blood vessels. Listen, first the blood flows into where? Through arteries. Okay, then arteries to where? Arterioles. Arterioles. From arteries to blood flows into where? Arterioles. Okay, as like here the impure blood. The impure blood, these are the capillaries. In between arteries and veins, the capillaries are present. These arterioles unite together form capillaries. In closed type, the blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. Through specific blood vessels called capillaries. In the main difference between open type of circulation and a closed type of circulation is, in open type the capillaries are absent. In closed type the capillaries are present.